Hello again. Today I'm going to show you how we can take some of our data from the AURIN Portal and our analysis work and get that into CAD files that we can use for AutoCAD, Rhino, 3ds Max, whatever you're using. So for the sake of this task, I've just downloaded the PSMA green space. I'm still in Footscray here. So the first step is to download the shape file. As we can't download the DWG file straight from here, we must process it through a GIS system. So let's just extract that onto the desktop. Let's open up a GIS program. I'm using the ARC map. So here we need to add the file it's already linked to the folder I'm using, but if you weren't aware, you need to connect to the folder. And there we are there, green space. As you can see, it's using a different projection system, so it looks a lot different, which will cause a lot of headaches if you're bringing this data into an existing data set that you have on AutoCAD or whatever you're using, as it won't be able to locate it in the same spot and it will be completely different distortion basically. So the first step is to change that projection system to whatever one you're using. So in this case I'm using the GDA 1994 MGA Zone 55, so we hit apply. Okay, and you can see that that's changed to what we were using in the AURIN portal. So then our next step would be to export to CAD. And we want to change the environments because these GIS softwares like to snap back to their defaults, so that in this case being the output coordinate system is set to the same as the input, which was what we didn't want initially. So we want to change that to the display, and that will be the GDA 1994 Zone 55. So we're OK. And we want to find a nice spot for this. So desktop, I've already got one there. We'll just name it number 2. And that will process, and it's told us that it's successfully exported to CAD. And for the sake of this, I'll just import it into Rhino to make sure that's worked. Sorry, obviously we're importing a DWG, so we'll just change that, and there we go. And there we are there. So obviously we can do that in AutoCAD as well, and then from there we can also export to Illustrator, or if we want to make a visual or anything we want. So for the next tutorial I'll show you how we can download some of our own analysis work, such as the walkability. So pop over and we'll check it out.